In today's video, we will explore city coding and society registration. First, we'll go to the configuration section and click on city coding. When the interface opens, we'll see the city coding manage page. Any city we configure will be shown in a table here. And the purpose of this city coding is that your society members can be from different cities, or your society may have branches in different cities, so to manage this, a city coding form is used. To add a new city, we'll click on the Add New button. The form that opens will have two input fields. In the first field, we'll enter the city name. And in the next field, which is for status, we'll select whether we want to keep this city active or inactive. After submitting the form, the city will be added to the table on the Manage screen, showing 4 columns: serial number, city name, status, and action. If we want to delete or edit a city, we can do so using the buttons provided in the action column. If we set the status to inactive, the city will be added here. But it won't be shown anywhere else in our system. Next, let's talk about society registration. We'll click on the configuration section and then on society registration. The registration form will open, where we can add information about the society. First, we'll add the society name, then the owner name, select the city, add the address, phone numbers, fax number, email, and website URL. After that, we'll select the status, upload the logo, and submit the form. All this detail will be saved in our system,